In this class, you're going to be asked several times to embed something that you've created into your digital portfolio. And so I'm going to show you a couple of different things. All of the Google tools, and we can talk about this later, so anything that's in your Google Drive is super simple to embed. So if I've got something in my Google Drive, and I'm just going to click here, and we're going to play with video. So it's thinking. So okay, I'm in Google Drive. I skipped ahead a little bit, and I am looking for a video in my Google Drive, and here's one here that I want to use. So I just click that and insert, and voila, it gets popped right in there. No problem at all. So anything that's in your Google Drive, including a video, and not even a YouTube video, can easily be embedded into your digital portfolio. So anything in your drive. Okay, and then the specific tools that you have. So you've got YouTube, calendars, and maps, all of those, and then all of these tools. So anything created in Google Drive, any videos that you have, all docs, all that kind of stuff, easy to embed. But let's say you are using a tool, and you will be, that isn't part of your Google Drive. So there's a couple of options. So anything that creates a movie, like an MP4, that can be uploaded either to your Google Drive as a Google video or to YouTube as a video. And both of those can easily be embedded into your digital portfolio. Okay, so what if it's not a video and it's not in the Google Drive? So here's a couple of examples. Here is a tool called Haiku Deck, and this is a really nice presentation tool, lots of great uses. So an example, this is one that we're using that has all of our different tech tool examples. And you'll notice here I clicked on share, and it gave me some options. I can share to Facebook or any Google+, Twitter, etc. But it also gives me a URL and an embed code. And if we go back over here to here, you'll see that it says embed URL. Okay, so that's a little confusing. What you're going to do here is you're going to add the URL that it gives you, not the embed code. So a lot of times they'll give you both options. So you're not doing the embed code, you're doing the URL. So let's take a look there. I click here, this is what I want. I want the URL, not the embed code. So I'm copying that, and then I pop over to the right place, and I click the embed URL, pop that in there, and insert. And you'll notice here that what it's actually showing is not the slideshow, but it is just the image. But when I click on that image, it will take me to the page. So that's how that works. It's not really totally embedded in your Google site, but it gives you the image, and then you can go from that and add that tool. So here's another example. I'm in Powtoon, another great tool, and I've created this Powtoon. I've got these different share options here. I'm going to click the link so that I can get the URL. And for some reason it's not letting me click the link. Okay, so I'm in Powtoon, and I want to click the link, and this is a little tricky. It tells me that it copied it. It doesn't show up anywhere, so that's a little bit tricky. But I'm going to come over here to my website. I'm going to click embed. I'm going to paste that, and it's going to ask me what I want. I want this. And again, I have, similar to Haiku Deck, I have this link here that will take me to the Powtoon. Okay, one more example. This is Prezi. And so here's a Prezi, and I want to share it. And I'm going to grab that link. And then I'm going to pop over to my thing, click on the embed, paste, and insert. Okay, and you can change sizes and all that. But now I want to see what all of this looks like. I'm going to hit publish first. And I'm going to go to view published site. Okay, so now here I am in my site. I can see that the thing that I was able to upload right from the drive is actually playable right in the thing, so I can hit that right there. But if I'm over here at the Haiku deck, I've got, it just takes me right to that Haiku deck. Or if I click down here, my Powtoon, same thing, takes me to the Powtoon. And last but not least, the Prezi, same thing. I pop over there and it's going to take me to the Prezi. It will. Okay. So, when you are creating with some of these tools, that is how you embed them into your Google site.